Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Hotmail account. So if you want to create a Hotmail account, first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser you like, and after opening up a browser search for www.outlook.com, and after searching for that it will take you to a page where you can create your account. Just tap on create account, and after tapping on create account it will take you to a page where you can create your Hotmail account. So to create your Hotmail account, you have to tap on the down arrow and choose hotmail.com. And now you have to create an email address. And after creating an email address, tap on next. And now you have to create a password for your account. And after creating a password, just tap on next. And now you have to enter your first name and last name. And after entering your first name and last name, again tap on next. And after tapping on next, now you have to select your country and then select your date of birth. And after entering your country and date of birth, just tap on next. And now you have to pass this authentication. So to pass this authentication, you have to pick the dice part with the same icon facing up. And after completing your verification, it will ask you if you want to stay signed in your account. So if you want to stay signed in, just tap on yes. And after doing that, you have successfully created your Hotmail account. So this is how you can create your Hotmail account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.